Hello, and welcome to the 2021 Smith Institute Student Research Poster Competition Award Ceremony. I am Keisha Talbot Johnson, Strategic Research Communications Manager in Government-Sponsored Programs and Research.
And I'm Dr. Tara Bangle, the Undergraduate Research Development Manager for the Smith Institute for Applied Research.
We want to thank you for taking the time to view this year's posters and participate in the award ceremony. This is the second year that we have hosted this event virtually, and we are proud of our students who were able to submit posters for the virtual competition. The purpose of Smith Institute for Applied Research is to increase student and faculty access to research tools, training, and resources with an aim of strengthening teaching and academic success at Johnson C. Smith University. According to the Association of American Colleges and Universities, undergraduate research is a high-impact practice that improves student retention and prepares our students for careers and graduate study through experiential learning opportunities.
Participation in research activities enhances students' understanding of career opportunities and promotes transferable skills such as written and oral communication, critical thinking and problem solving, and many more. This year, 30 students are participating in the Student Research Poster Competition. Those students represent each of our 4 degree-guaranteeing colleges at Johnson C. Smith University. We want to congratulate these students for overcoming the challenges of the past year and adapting to this virtual environment where they took part in Smith Institute's poster presentation preparatory workshops to be ready for this competition. First, we have Dr. Carrie Peterson to present this year's winners in the Humanities category.
Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Peterson, Assistant Professor of History at Johnson C. Smith University. It is my pleasure today to announce the winners of the Student Poster Competition for the Humanities category. Really impressed with the clarity and the depth and creativity of your research in all of your posters. Enjoyed reading them and learning about your research. I was also happy to learn that your professor included the poster competition as an assignment on your syllabus for a regular curriculum this semester. With all of that said, I'm ready to announce the winners of this year's prize for the Student Poster Competition sponsored by the Smith Institute for Applied Research. In third place, we have Carrington Harrison, Justin Steele, Reginald Andrews, and Talea Pope for Black Fortunes, Black Wealth, and Its Evolution. In second place, Tyler Williamson and Kofi Asafu Ajaye, From Here to Ghana, a Homegoing for Contemporary Audiences. In first place, Mariah Mitchell, Kendall West, Brianna Putnam, and Janine Lewis for their poster titled What Goes Unspoken, Understanding Domestic Violence, based on Sital's novel, Secrets We Kept, 3 Women of Trinidad. Congratulations to all the winners, and I wish you a wonderful summer vacation.
Next, we have Dr. Andre Richardson, who will discuss how Johnson C. Smith University's 2017 to 2022 Quality Enhancement Plan is informed by CUR's Characteristics of Excellence in Undergraduate Research.
Hello, I am Dr. Andre Richardson. I am the Quality Enhancement Plan, or QEP, coordinator at Johnson C. Smith University. The title of our QEP plan here at Johnson C. Smith University is Creating a Culture and Curriculum for Undergraduate Research. So congratulations to students, and thanks to the Smith Institute and our faculty. So the QEP adopts a broad definition of research as defined by Ernest Boyer, who described 4 types of scholarship, which are discovery, integration, application, engagement, and teaching and learning. At JCSU, undergraduate research includes creative activity, internships, travel opportunities, and more. That is why you see hashtag, this is research. All of that is a part of research. There are 12 characteristics of excellence in undergraduate research, and this is taken from CUR, which is the Council of Undergraduate Research. You can find more information on their website, www.cur.org. So here are the 12 characteristics. First, there's campus mission and culture that can include integration of research with other high impact practices, scholarly faculty, and broad disciplinary participation in research. Then there's administrative support for that research that might include faculty load credit for supervising undergraduate research or seed funding. There's research infrastructure, which includes the labs and access to research databases, just the tools needed for research. There are professional development opportunities like the Smith Institute's CURE Faculty Fellowship, recognition opportunities, just like this award ceremony, and promotion and tenure for faculty. There's external funding from philanthropists, public or private. There's also dissemination of information or dissemination of the research to include presentations at professional meetings. Then there are the student-centered issues like faculty mentorship that is available and integrating students into research opportunities with other engaging experiences through community-based research and learning, just as an example. Then there's the curriculum that integrates teaching and research and student course credit for research. There's summer research program opportunities that has compensation for faculty and for students. Then there are assessment activities to assess student learning outcomes. For example, the student research product rubric that the QEP has developed based on the 6 facets of research skill development identified by University of Adelaide in Australia. And finally, there's strategic planning. This addresses the goals for student and faculty participation in research and scaling effective programs. So in conclusion, collectively, these 12 characteristics of excellence help to guide our implementation of the QEP. We encourage you to stay connected to the QEP through our offerings on Canvas, where you will find the research product rubric and other resources. And again, congratulations and thank you.
And now we have Dr. Karen Butler, who will present the awards in the Health and Social Sciences categories.
Hello, everyone. I have the pleasure of announcing the winners of the 2021 Student Research Poster Competition, sponsored by our own Smith Institute here at dear old JCSU. So without further ado, I'd like to first congratulate our 3rd place winner. Montana Flowers is a senior double majoring in public health and biology, and she did her research on period poverty. In 2nd place, we have Jasmine Jones, a senior public health major, and her research was incorporating a plant-based diet for Black American young adults. And last but not least, drum roll please, our number 1 placer this time is Angie Valier, a senior public health major who did her research on barriers to exclusive breastfeeding among Spanish-speaking Hispanic women in the United States. Well done, ladies. Congratulations for representing our department and our university.
Next, in our awards ceremony presentation, we have Dr. Nguyen, who will be speaking to us about her experiences with the Smith Institute CURE Faculty Fellowship Program.
Hello, everyone. My name is Thuy Nguyen. I am currently serving at Johnson C. Smith University as an assistant professor of mathematics and director of STEM Resource Center. Today, I would like to introduce about the course-based undergraduate research experience. This is a great way for the student to get into research. It enables students to learn about process of research through mentoring from faculty members. Regardless of how much experience with research students have, they are able to grow and mature in multiple ways. After participating in the course-based undergraduate research experience fellowship, I curate a math course for students. My students were able to gather data and analyze the mathematical models created from linear and quadratic functions. Students were not only able to learn the math concept, but apply them as well. They further their understandings in mathematics and apply in research setting. Many of these skills students were able to learn can be applied in courses beyond the one they took and even applied to research they conduct on their own. I believe this is a wonderful and impactful for any faculties.
And now we have Dr. Erica Dugo, who will be presenting the award winners in our STEM category.
Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Erica Dugo. I am adjunct and assistant professor for the Natural Science and Mathematics Department, and I serve as faculty research associate with the Smith Institute. Today, we would like to thank all of our JCSU students and their faculty mentors for the great effort, time, and work that's put into developing these amazing scientific projects. The rigor and competitiveness that we saw in these student poster submissions speaks directly to the dedication and commitment that our JCSU faculty have with engaging our students in research and truly cultivating a culture for research here at JCSU. Without further ado, for the STEM division of the 2021 Student Poster Competition, our winners are, in second place, Kayla Miller, Effects of Cannabinoids on Sex Hormones. Faculty mentors, Dr. Rosalind Reed and Dr. William Booth. Coming in first place, a student group submission by Abigail Gabriel, William Case, and Dulce Pacheco. Impact of wearable technology on the health behaviors of college athletes. Faculty mentor, Dr. Felicia Stoops. Thank you guys for all your hard work.
And now we have Dr. Diane Bowles, who will give our closing remarks for the 2021 award ceremony
for the Student Research Poster Competition.
Hi, JCSU research students, faculty, and all. I am Dr. Diane Bowles, Vice President for Government-Sponsored Programs and Research and Executive Director of the Smith Institute for Applied Research. I hope everyone and your families are doing well, considering a year of fighting this COVID pandemic. As a member of the university's executive cabinet, I can tell you that we are planning every week to bring all of you back to campus by the fall. For rising sophomores, we will have a program on campus this summer that offers some academic credit. Nevertheless, we cannot wait to hear your chatter and movement, bringing alive the campus again. Now, the 2021 Student Research Poster Competition that highlights student research and creative inquiry during the undergraduate research week is again a virtual event due to the continued disruptions caused by the COVID pandemic. I do extend my thanks to students, faculty, and staff for your active participation in this important annual event. The Smith Institute for Applied Research has adopted the poster competition as a culminating activity that really is the hallmark of what we do. That is, provide a venue for exhibiting the range of research and scholarly work for our students from across multiple disciplines in JCSU's school, colleges, and departments. Hats off to all students who developed a poster for the 2021 competition, whether it was individually or in teams. It is an honor for me to acknowledge and congratulate the selected first, second, and third place winners in the categories of humanities, health and social sciences, and STEM. I will refrain from calling each name for fear I will miss someone. However, know that we will list all students and faculty mentors in the upcoming JCSU news with a link to this virtual event. I am so thankful for our faculty mentors and judges who supported their students to produce such a splendid quality of work, especially in this time of tremendous disruptions. In addition, I extend special thanks to all staff in the Smith Institute for Applied Research for their outstanding hard work in executing the 2021 poster competition. Students know that the Smith Institute staff are processing first, second, and third place winners now, and you should hear from us soon. Let me conclude my remarks by again expressing my gratitude to everyone for taking the time to recognize the intellectual works of JCSU research students who participated in this year's competition. It has been both a stimulative and memorable event. I am looking forward to meeting all of you in person for the 2022 Student Research Competition. In the meantime, remember that we will always hold high the gold and blue. Thank you.